Join me as I dive deep into my own struggles and try to figure out what's really holding you back from online success. Online success, it's a topic that gets everyone excited, right? Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a creator, having an online presence can open doors to new opportunities, connections, and revenue streams. But let's be real, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Many of us struggle to achieve that elusive online success, and it's leaving us feeling frustrated and confused. When we think about what's holding us back from achieving online success, a few common barriers come to mind. One major hurdle is fear of failure. We're scared to put ourselves out there, to take risks, and to potentially fall flat on our faces. Another obstacle is lack of knowledge. We might feel like we don't have the skills or expertise to create engaging content, to grow our audience, or to navigate the ever-changing online landscape. And then there's overwhelm, feeling like we're drowning in a sea of options, with no clear direction or focus. Fear of failure is a huge deal for many of us. I mean, who wants to put in all that effort only to end up with nothing to show for it? It's easy to get caught up in negative self-talk, to let our fears define us, and to hold back from taking action. Lack of knowledge can be just as crippling. We might feel like we need to be experts in every area of online business, from social media marketing to SEO, and that can be incredibly daunting. And let's not forget about overwhelm. It's hard not to feel like we're constantly playing catch-up, trying to keep up with the latest trends and algorithm changes. When we're fearful of failure, we might be holding back from taking risks, from trying new things, and from putting ourselves out there. We might be playing it too safe, sticking to what we know, and missing out on opportunities. Lack of knowledge can lead to analysis paralysis, where we're so busy learning and preparing that we never actually take action. And overwhelm can cause us to feel stuck, like we're drowning in a sea of possibilities, with no clear direction or focus. But here's the thing, all of these barriers can be overcome. We can learn to reframe our fears, to focus on progress rather than perfection, and to take small, consistent actions towards our goals. We can invest in ourselves, in our skills, and in our knowledge, and we can find support systems and resources to help us along the way. And we can break down our goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and focus on making progress, one step at a time. One of the best things I ever did in my online business was to automate my marketing and lead generation. I started using a service that allowed me to set a daily marketing budget so that I was getting leads and sales on autopilot. This change was minor, but it created consistency in my marketing, and my business started to grow each and every month. I also took my focus off of thinking that I had to have something big happen every day in my business or it was failing. When I quit looking at the daily tasks and started to focus on the big picture, I was more calm and relaxed about my business, and it started to grow. Now I focus more on what I have accomplished over the month or quarter, and I am seeing great success online. Since I started my daily marketing strategy, I feel less stressed and more excited about the long-term growth of my online business. So, what's really holding you back from online success? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or overwhelm? Whatever it is, I want to encourage you to acknowledge it, to face it head-on, and to take action towards overcoming it. If you're struggling with online success, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's holding you back, and what are you doing to overcome those challenges? And if you're ready to dive deeper into achieving online success, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips, strategies, and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.